Hello, my name is Linda and I'm with Tech Exchange. Today I will be teaching you how to send an email using your Gmail. Let's get started. First, we will begin by opening up your web browser and going to gmail.com. If you are not signed in yet, you'll see a sign in page. Type your email address, then click Next. Then you will begin entering your password and click Next once again to log in. Once you are in your inbox, look for the Compose button on the top left. Click it to start a new email. In the To field, type the email address of the person you want to send the message to. Make sure that the spelling is correct so your email goes to the right person. Next, you will add a subject. This is a short title that tells the person what your email is about. Now click into the large box below and type your message. If you want to send a file, like a photo or document, click the paperclip icon at the bottom. Then choose a file from your computer. Click Open and wait for it to upload. Before sending, take a moment to review your email. Check the email address, subject, and message to make sure everything looks good. When you are ready, click the Send button. After you send your email, you may see a small confirmation message at the bottom of your screen. And that's it, you just sent your first email. If you'd like to learn more, join our free digital literacy classes at Tech Exchange.